to mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed about addition, children. We have learnt about properties of addition, and children, we have solved some practice and sums basing on the concept of addition, children. Now, today, let me tell you a story.
So, see children, he is Charan. Now, Charan has a habit of collecting stickers. He has 875 stickers in his home. Now, his friend Teja wants some of the stickers and he asked Charan, Charan, will you give me some stickers? Then Charan said, of course, you can take some stickers, Teja. See, I'll give you 250 stickers so that you can also use in your home. So children, now what did you observe here? Out of 875 stickers, 250 stickers Charan gave to his friend Teja. Now how many stickers are left with Charan, children? Can you find out? How do you find out? You have to take out 250 from 875. Taking out means taking away. Already you learnt in the previous class, children. Taking away is called what, children? Subtraction. So we have to subtract 250 from 875, children. Let us start doing subtraction, children. So stickers with Charan, it is 875, children. Now stickers he gave to Teja, it is 250, children. Now 875, do you know what, children? This is the number from which we subtract. So this is called minuend, children. And see, children, this 250 is called what? This number which is subtracted from the minuend. This is called subtrahend, children. Now what is the symbol of subtraction, children? It is minus. So 875 minus 250, children. 5 minus 0 gives us 5. 7 minus 5 gives us 2. And 8 minus 2 gives us 6. So we got answer 625, children. Now the result of this subtraction is called as what, children? This is difference. So now 625 stickers left with Charan. Okay, children? So children, today let us learn about subtraction of large numbers, children. This is one of the basic fundamental operation, children.
We have came to know the concept of subtraction, children. Now, shall we start solving the problem of recap? Now see, children, here the larger number from which we subtract is called minuend, children. The smaller number which is subtracted from the minuend is called subtrahend, children. And after doing the subtraction, we get difference. The result of subtraction is difference, children. And see, children, the symbol of subtraction, as we discussed just now, it is minus, children. So we have to subtract 9 from the 6, children. See, here we have only 6 ones. Here we have 9 ones. We cannot subtract in the way. So what we have to do, children? We have to regroup from the left side place, that is tens place, children. 9 tens are there. And if I regroup 1 to the ones place, you will be having 8 tens, children. Now see, children, as we know, 1 10 equal to how many ones, children? 10 ones. So 10 ones, children. Now 10 ones plus already 6 ones we have. 10 plus 6, how much, children? It is 16 ones. So we will have 16 ones here. Now you have to subtract 16 minus 9, children. What is the answer, children? It is 7. Very good, children. Now 8 minus 7, can we subtract, children? Yes. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now 8 minus 2, what is the answer, children? 6. Very good. 7 minus 4, it is 3. I have, see, children, we can have one more technique also. 7 minus 4, we can count in reverse order also. So 4, children, for 4 how much you should add to become 7? 5, 6, 7. You have to add 3, children. In that way also you can solve the problem. So our result is 3617, children. So the difference we got for the question is 3617, children. As we discussed about properties of addition, In the same way, subtraction also have some properties, children. Now let us discuss about properties of subtraction. Charan has 7 pencils. His friend Teja came and asked him some pencils. Now Charan didn't give any pencil. That means what, children? What is the value? 0 pencils. So he has 7 pencils and his friend Teja asked some pencils, but Charan did not give any pencils. So how many pencils do he have now, children? 7 he have initially, minus how much he gave to Teja? 0. He did not give anything, so 0. So 7 minus 0 equal to 7. This is your first property of subtraction. If 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference will be number itself, children. See here, 7 minus 0 gave us 7. So when we subtract 0 from the number, we get number itself as the difference, children. That is your property 1. One day, Charan went to his friend Teja's home. There Teja have 5 balls. Now Charan wanted to play with a ball in his home. So he asked Teja, Teja, can you give me one ball? Of course, you can take, Teja said. Then Teja gave one ball to Charan. Charan went to home. Now let us talk about Teja. Actually, how many balls Teja had? 5 balls. Out of 5 balls, how many balls he gave to Charan? 1 ball. So 5 minus 1. Now, how many balls will Teja have now? 4. So what is the number, children? It's a before number, means predecessor. So this is your second property of subtraction, children. So if 1 is subtracted from any number, the answer means the difference will be predecessor, children. That is before number. Understood, children? This is your second property. One day Charan and Teja kept a competition in a ground, that who will run more distance. Now here Charan covered 20 meters, children. And as Teja is very energetic, he covered 30 meters. So who is the competition winner, children? Teja will be winner of the competition. Now Teja 30 meters minus Charan 20 meters. So it will give us what, children? 10 meters more. But see, children, if we change the order, first Charan how many meters? 20 meters minus Teja 30 meters. Will the answer will be same, children? No. So the order of the numbers cannot be changed in the subtraction, children. This is your third property. See. So one more example you can see on the board, children, in that way. As Teja and Charan are close friends, now Charan want to give all his pencils to Teja, because initially he asked for pencils, right, children? He realized that I did not give pencils. Now I will give pencils, my pencil, to Teja. Actually, how many pencils Charan has, children? We discussed 7 pencils. Now out of 7 pencils, he gave all 7 pencils to Teja. So it will be like this, children. 7 minus 7. How many, children? 0. See, we are taking total number from the number only. So this is your fourth property, children. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. We have discussed about properties of subtraction. Now let us do subtraction without regrouping, children. We have to subtract 2,43,627 from 8,64,758, children. Now out of these two numbers, which is the bigger number, you have to find out, children. Our bigger number is always what, children? Minuend. So this is our bigger number, this is the minuend. And smaller number, which we subtract from the minuend, is subtrahend, and that is 2,43,627, children. We have to arrange in this way first. Then we have to subtract this. Now see, children, 8 minus 7, 1, children. Now 5 minus 2, or else you can add 2 plus how many digits equal to 5, children? 3, 4, 5. In reverse method also you can count 3. Then 7 minus 6, children, or else 6 plus how much equal to 7? It's 1, children. So 1s, 10s, 100s completed inside comma. 4 minus 3, children, what is the answer? 1. 6 minus 4, yeah, good, 2. Then last, 8 minus 2, 6. So answer will be 6,21,131, children. we did not regroup from any place here. Directly we got a chance to subtract ones place from the ones place only, tens place from the tens place only, hundreds place from, and so on. So we started from the right side and we ended at left hand side, but we did not bring any number from the previous places. That means there is no regrouping, children. So this problem is about subtraction without regrouping, children. Now next let us do a problem basing on regrouping, children. Subtraction with regrouping. Find the difference. The question is given in this way. Directly it has given 79,36,234 minus 69,47,325. So we have to arrange the minuend and subtrahend in this way, children. So after that we have to subtract. Now see, children, 4 minus 5. Is it possible? So in the ones place we have 4. That means 4 ones. And here 5 ones. So can you subtract 5 ones from 4 ones? It's not possible, children. So what we have to do? We have to regroup from the tens place, children. How many tens are here, children? 3 tens. Now from 3 tens, I'll take 1 10. Means I'll regroup 1 10 to here. When 1 10 is regrouped, we will have 2 tens, children, here. So 1 10, as 1 10 is regrouping to the ones place. 1 10 equal to, see, children, 1 10 equal to how many ones, as we learned in the previous classes only? 10 ones. So 1 10 equal to 10 ones, and already we have 4 ones here. 10 ones plus 4 ones will be what, children? 14 ones. So 14 ones, children. Now 14 1 minus 5. Can we subtract, children? Yes, we can subtract, because here we have bigger number, here we have smaller number. So 14 minus 5 will be 9, children. Now 2 minus 2, is it possible, children? Yes, it is possible directly. 2 minus 2. As our property 4. Subtract number from number itself gives an answer as 0. And 2 minus 3 here. Is it possible, children? Here also the same case. It's not possible. Then we have to regroup from the next place. That is, so I am regrouping 10 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. How many hundreds, children? 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds minus 3 hundreds. 12 minus 3, how much, children? 9. Now once period completed, we are inserting comma. 5 minus 7, is it possible, children? No. Again regroup from the 10,000s place. So when we are regrouping, here we will have only 2 10,000s, means 1 10,000 equal to how many thousands, children? 10,000. 1 10,000 equal to 10 thousands. So 10 plus 5 will be 15, children. So 15. Now 15 minus 7 will be, so 8. Now 2 minus 4, it's not possible. Again we have to regroup from the lakhs place, children. Again if we regroup, here will be 8 lakhs. 1 lakh equal to 10 thousands. So 10 plus 2, it will be 12, children. 12 minus 4, it will be 8, children. Okay. Now 8 minus 9, again not possible. What we have to do, children? We have to regroup from the 10 lakhs place. So 1 10 lakh equal to 10 1 lakhs. So here we will have 18. Now 18 minus 9 will be 9. 6 minus 6, 0. So finally we got our result, that is difference, children. 9,88,909. Okay, children. So now let us do practice and sums basing on this concept, children. Practice time 2.1. Find the difference. Question: 72,400 minus 68,283. So first of all, we have to arrange in this way, children. See, the given minuend and subtrahend, we have to arrange in this way. See, and we have to subtract starting from the right hand side and go on end at the left hand side, children. So in the ones place, in the minuend we have 0, children. 0 ones minus 3 ones. Can we subtract, children? It's not possible. We have to regroup from the previous place, that is tens place. In the tens place also we have 0. So what we have to do, children? We have to regroup from the hundreds place. So see, children, here. So 4 hundreds we have, children, here. From 4 hundreds we are regrouping 100 to the tens place. So how many hundreds left over here, children? It will be 3 hundreds. So 100 equal to how many tens, children? 100 equal to 10 tens, children. So we are regrouping 10 tens here. But what children? We have to regroup here also. From 10 tens, 1 10 we have to regroup to the ones place. And 9 tens will be left over. 1 10 we are sending here. 1 10 equal to how many ones children? 10 ones. So 10 ones. Now 10 minus 3. Answer is 7. Now we have 9 tens here children. 9 tens minus 8 tens. It will be 1. Very good. 3 minus 2. It is 1. Very good children. Now thousands period. 2 minus 8. Is it possible children? 2 thousands minus 8 thousands. It's not possible. So we have to regroup from the 10,000s place. In the 10,000s place we have 7. That means 7 10,000s are there. From that let us take 1 10,000. It will be 6 10,000s. So 1 10,000 we are regrouping here. 1 10,000 equal to how many thousands children? 1 10,000 equal to 10 thousands. So 10 plus 2, 12 thousands will be there children. Now 12 minus 8, 4. Good. 6 minus 6, 0 children. So the difference is 4,117 children. Now let us go for B question. 40,823 minus 10,612 children. We have to start subtraction from the ones place. 3 minus 2, it is 1. 2 minus 1, 1 children again. 8 minus 6, it is 2. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 1, answer is 3. So our difference is 30,211. So we completed second bit. Let us go for third bit children. Third bit, complete the following by filling the boxes. So children, in the previous class we discussed the properties of addition. In this class we discussed the properties of subtraction. Now basing on these properties, these are the questions framed. Now look children, 4,29,323 plus 0. See children, 0 is the additive identity here. So as we discussed, number plus 0, what is the answer children? Number itself. So what is the number children? 4,29,323. Now see question B children, 2,43,792 plus 1. As per properties of addition children, plus 1 gives what number children? Next number, that is what? Successor of a number. So plus 1 to the ones place children. 2 plus 1 gives 3 in the ones place. Remaining all places same. So answer will be 2,43,793 children. Now see here children, 2,359 plus group of 7,922 plus 2,352 equal to dash plus 7,922 plus 2,352 children. So see children, here these two numbers formed a group, and here the group is divided and 2,352 we added separately. So if we compare left hand side with right hand side, one number is missing, 2,359 children. So this is which property children? Even though the groups changed, the answer will not change. Which property children? Associative property. As per associative property, answer is 2,359. Okay children. So question D and E children, basing on the properties of subtraction only. So see children, 32,590 minus 0 gives what? As per a property of subtraction, number, when 0 is subtracted from the number, answer, the difference is number itself children. So what is the number? 32,590. Now see this children, what we are subtracting here? Minus 1 we are subtracting. As per the properties of subtraction, when we subtract minus 1 from any number, what the number comes? The previous number, also called as predecessor children. We are subtracting from ones place only. 7 minus 1 gives us 6 in the ones place children. Remaining all places same. So our answer is 79,426 children. So okay children, now once again go through all the properties of subtraction as well as properties of addition, children. Let us meet with a new concept in the next class, children. Have a great day.